NVMe PCIe adapters enable high-speed SSD installation on motherboards without M.2 slots, boosting storage performance, faster data transfer, and system upgrades. My today's video is about top 5 best NVMe PCIe adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Glotron's NVMe PCIe adapter. This NVMe PCIe adapter is a practical upgrade solution for users who want to add high-speed M.2 NVMe storage to motherboards without a dedicated M.2 slot. By converting a PCIe X4/X8/X16 slot into an M.2 key-M interface, it enables the installation of modern NVMe SSDs while maintaining excellent performance potential. The adapter supports PCIe 3.0 and PCIe 4.0 NVMe drives, allowing users with compatible CPUs, motherboards, and SSDs to take advantage of full PCIe 4.0x4 speeds for extremely fast data transfers. A major highlight is the included heatsink system, which can reduce SSD temperatures by around 5 to 20 degrees Celsius, helping maintain stable performance during heavy workloads. It supports common M.2 sizes from 2230 to 2280 with virtually no storage capacity limit, making it ideal for large 2 terabytes or 4 terabytes drives. Broad compatibility with Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, along with both standard and low-profile brackets, ensures easy installation in most desktop builds. Now our second product is Sabrent NVMe PCIe adapter. This all-in-one PCIe expansion card offers an impressive combination of high-speed storage and networking, making it an excellent upgrade for NAS systems, home labs, and compact workstation builds. Designed to fit into a PCIe 3.0x4 slot, the card provides 3 M.2 NVMe SSD slots along with an integrated 10 GB Ethernet port, allowing users to significantly expand both storage capacity and network performance from a single card. A major advantage is its plug-and-play installation that does not require PCIe bifurcation or special UEFI configuration, making it compatible with a wider range of systems. The adapter supports M.2 NVMe drives from 2230 to 2280 and works with PCIe Gen 2.0 through Gen 5.0 SSDs, accommodating large capacity drives up to at least 8 terabytes per slot. The built-in Marvel-based 10 gigabits Ethernet port ensures ultra-fast wired connectivity while remaining backward compatible with standard networks. A durable aluminum heatsink with thermal padding keeps SSD temperatures stable during heavy workloads, ensuring reliable long-term performance. Our third product is Guxium NVMe PCIe adapter. This PCIe M.2 NVMe RAID adapter is designed for users who need powerful storage expansion and high-speed data performance in professional or advanced PC setups. Supporting up to 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs through a PCIe 3.0/4.0x16 interface. The card enables extremely fast data transfer, with each slot capable of up to 32 gigabits per second bandwidth, making it suitable for demanding workloads such as data processing, video editing, and server applications. One of its key strengths is the ability to configure software RAID, allowing users to combine multiple drives for improved performance, redundancy, or storage capacity, though optimal RAID stability requires identical SSD models and specifications. The adapter features a durable, thick PCB construction and a reinforced PCIe X16 interface that helps ensure reliable connectivity and protects important data during heavy operation. A built-in high-power DC chip maintains stable power delivery to all drives, while 4 LED indicators provide clear drive activity monitoring for easier management and troubleshooting. Now number 4, Pomia NVMe PCIe adapter. The quad M.2 NVMe to PCIe 4.0x16 adapter is a high-performance solution for users seeking to expand storage with multiple NVMe drives while maximizing throughput. Supporting up to 4 M.2 NVMe SSDs in sizes 2230 to 22110, the adapter allows simultaneous access to all installed drives, delivering blazing fast data transfer with 4 by 32 gigabits per second full-speed channels over a solid PCIe X16 interface. It supports PCIe 3.0 and 4.0 protocols, but full PCIe 4.0 speeds require a compatible CPU, motherboard, and SSDs, with older CPUs limiting bandwidth. The card offers soft RAID functionality for Windows 10.8 systems via drivers, though OS X Pro 5.1 and other systems require additional setup or do not support RAID. Users must ensure their motherboard supports PCIe bifurcation. Otherwise, only the first NVMe slot is recognized. Plug-and-play compatibility extends to Windows, Linux, and OS X, while durable construction and careful power design provide stable, reliable performance for intensive workloads like video editing, data processing, and high-speed storage arrays. And our last choice is a Luting NVMe PCIe adapter. This PCIe M.2 conversion adapter card is a versatile and high-performance solution for expanding storage using both NVMe and SATA M.2 SSDs, supporting a wide range of SSD sizes, from 2230 to 22110, and B-key, M-key, and band M-key interfaces. It enables users to install multiple drives for faster access, larger capacity, or system boot purposes, provided the motherboard BIOS supports PCIe boot. Leveraging the NVMe protocol over PCIe 4x divided by 8x divided by 16x slots, it delivers theoretical read speeds up to 32 gigabits per second, significantly reducing transfer times for large files and improving workflow efficiency. Safety and stability are enhanced through solid capacitors for voltage regulation and a durable gold-plated PCIe interface, ensuring reliable operation even under high or low temperatures. Effective heat dissipation is achieved via double-sided copper strips and a porous thermal design, maintaining SSD performance and longevity during heavy workloads. Compatible with Windows 7, 10, and 11, this adapter provides a dependable, plug-and-play solution for modern storage expansion. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.